In this trading video, I'm going to talk about a simple Forex scalping strategy to be used on pound US dollar, euro US dollar. Stay tuned. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. Okay, so I have found a simple scalping strategy to be used on the pound US dollar, euro US dollar 5-minute chart. One criteria, or one filter if you like, and one trigger. Let's get going. Let's have a look. Let's just see if this can be added to our trading setup playbook. Right, so we've got an RSI, and the RSI is a 14 period, so pretty much going to be standard default setting. I'm going to flip the color a bit so you can see it a bit better, thicken it up so it's clear on the screen. There we are. Good. All right, RSI, guys, if you haven't know about RSI, go and check out previous video. But generally speaking, overbought, oversold condition. We want to be looking for shorts when we are overbought and longs when we're oversold. Right, that's the first filter. Now, in addition to that, we need to see what is known as a shooting star candle. So a shooting star is pretty much this shape here, where we have, and again, I've done a video on candlestick patterns. Go and check it out if you're interested in this kind of stuff. Pretty much a move to the upside and then a body to the downside. This would be a bearish shooting star. So it's pushing up, doesn't close near the highs, comes down, closes near the lows. Very low kind of body and pretty decent wick to the upside. So you're looking for that in an overbought condition, or vice versa. You're looking for, you know, this kind of pattern on your candlestick in an oversold condition for a long trade. Let's have a look. Let's see if we've got any here. So straight away we have one here. By the way, this is pound US dollar and GBP US dollar. I'm going to say that this here is the candlestick criteria. Small body, long kind of wick, and we're just about still in overbought condition above 70. So the theory of this trade is you're going short on the close of that candle. So the entry here would be 132.81, or short below the break of the low. I think you can do either. Again, up to you. You probably want to have a stop above the high of that candle, 1 or 2 pips above the high of the candle in the short, and then your target. I think they said in the kind of criteria for this that you use 50% of the move. In fact, let me just get a fib out if I've got it to hand, and we can kind of use that to frame the trade. There we go. So 50% of the move is around there. That would be your exit point there, according to the criteria of the trade. However, you know, this is where your skill comes in. You can adapt this to suit what you want to achieve. You can kind of use it perhaps only in times when you think there's a full reversal coming on, or you can just use it as a pure scalping strategy and say, you know what, I'm going to use 2-to-1 risk reward. Whatever the risk is on the stop, my target is 2 times that. Or I'm going to use a fix this and fix that. That's where you can tweak and play. It's a scalping strategy. It's purely, and you think about the theory behind it. The theory behind it is, hey, we've pushed on a lot and we're overbought now. So push, 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 push. And we see a reversal candlestick pattern either at the low or the high, depending if we're overbought or oversold. And we're using those two criteria together to give us the trading strategy, the trading entry, the trigger, if you like. So, and also it stops you kind of getting caught out too much, I think, because most of the time, you know, if you're downtrending here, you're not going to get that kind of reversal candle. This probably just about counts here, although look, you're not oversold enough, so you're not pulling the trigger on that one. What else have we got? The good thing about having these overbought and oversold conditions, guys, is that it's a good filter. I mean, look at what we've got here. I'm just zooming in, whatever day this happens to be. There's only very, very few times when we get that condition. And one of them is such a long candle that you're not going to do that. It's obviously some sort of data here. I wouldn't even say that that's viable either. So you're many days you're not taking the trade, which is good, because the less trade you take, you know, less lower quality trade you take, the better it is. The other Forex pair is the word I'm looking for, that you can use it on is pound US dollar. Now, I don't think there's a problem with you using it on other Forex pairs, but specifically the where I found this setup stated that those were the places to use it. So we may as well have a look at it there and see if it works on there. I can't see very many standing out at me. For instance, I'm missing one that I've just missed. Maybe you've got a minor one here. just about there. You're probably going to be stopped out on that for a few ticks under the low. What have we got here? There's nothing. A little bit of actually. I would say that's one. That's one that's fired off there. You've got a bit of a shooting star up here, just about overbought, rolls over, and you've got a nice little profit on that. Have we got anything to the upside that we can see? If not, you kind of get the point. Here's one here. Is that oversold? Just about. You get the idea, guys. It's the overbought, oversold, the filter. Then you've got that candlestick pattern that you can use as a criteria. That's the candlestick you want to see, but we don't take that because that's not in an overbought condition. I like it. It's not bad. 5-minute chart. You want to use it on your major pairs as well, so you're not getting caught on some really extensive move. I wouldn't be using it after data or anything like that. I want to use it during normal trading hours. I want to refine the stop loss and take target a little bit. But I think it's a good foundation to build a strategy from. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Any adaptations, any tweaks that you reckon you could do to this to make it a bit more of a powerful strategy? And is it one that you're going to be adding to your trading arsenal? Take care, guys. Good trading. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.